Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change the media is offline thing in Davinci Resolve and how you can fix it. So let's get right into it. Now, that happens for one reason only. The file which you have entered into your media pool is either not in its original location or has been deleted. If you've deleted the file by accident, you will need to restore it. If you've permanently deleted it, then tough luck, you're going to have to figure something out. Now, as you can see, this is offline. For some reason, it's still showing the footage. I'm pretty sure it saved it in the project so it can access it from there. But as you can see, you have the media offline symbol here, and over here it's not how it's supposed to be. You can either right click and go into relink selected clips, or select the clip and click here, and then you'll have to locate the second or the new clip. Now in my case, I can go to my desktop, open up this folder, and I put the original video in the image sequence file. Just click on it, click select folder, and it should find the footage again, and it will be relinked and you can use it freely. And that's literally all you have to do, or either that or just put the footage back in its original spot. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.